In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the Tesla fart. So this is funny if you're like sitting in the restaurant, someone's walking past, you can press this button, make it fart, and kind of troll people. So you wanna come into the Tesla app. You would think this would be under controls, but it's not. Come to live camera. This is gonna show like some of the cameras around the Tesla here. And then you're gonna see this button on the bottom. Press that. Is it picking it up?
I don't know, you should go hold it by it. I'll press it.
And I'll just press it again, but show me like So that's how to make the Tesla fart. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.